Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the Lotus Sea Lantern in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Right now there's an event in Heartopia. It's called the Sea Lanterns of Sentiment. And in this event, you will be able to release Sea Lantern. And then before you release the Lantern, you can go to the Lanterns store, Sea Lantern store right here. Go to this event menu and select the store. And then if you want to get the Lotus Sea Lantern, you need to buy the recipe. Okay, and it will need the stars. I've already purchased this recipe, and now it's time to craft the Lotus Sea Lantern. Go to your workbench, and then you're going to select the Lotus Sea Lantern, and then it will need timber, quality timber, and also the flawless florit. Okay, and I'm going to craft it, guys. Oh, sorry, my backpack is full. Wait. Okay, I'm going to craft the Lotus Sea Lantern. Done. And now it's time to release the lantern. You need to go to the release point. Okay, click on lantern release point tracker. And then we're going to go to the release point. Okay, I've already arrived at the release point. And then you need to go to this tool or this group of lantern, and since we want to release the Lotus Lantern, we can click on the Lotus icon, and then you're going to select the Lotus Lantern, and then you can write a blessing. Okay, you can write down your hope, or it's up to you guys. All right, and now it's time to release the lantern into the sea. Okay, and when you release the Lotus Sea Lantern, the other DG members will be able to read your wishes, and they can also boost the lantern. Okay, and this is my quote. And you can also read another DG member's lantern. Okay, this one. And we can boost the fuel. Okay guys, and that's how you can get and use the Lotus Sea Lantern in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!